Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So I'm back with another video. In this video, we can see how we can create the deposit for customer. So if you are doing the microfinance business, so the Jainam Software is very useful to enhance your business. So just have a look. Just search one customer from the search bar. I have created some customers, so this customer, just click on the deposit. We need to create the deposit. So here you can see the recurring deposit. There are multiple options like fixed deposit, saving deposit. So for example, let's take a recurring deposit, and the amount, let's take per installment, okay, 5,000, and the yearly rate of interest, okay, let's take a 8%, and the compounding monthly, let's take. Compounding is nothing but the interest on interest. It is the addition on the principal of sum of deposit. So for example, let's take a for 12 month and just calculate. So here you can see the 5,000 for 12 months, it will become 60,000, and the installment is interest is 2,665. So total will become 62,665. Now here you can in addition you can add the lump sum interest as well, and in a document charges, that is 1200, is calculated automatically. There is some configuration I did, so I can show you that also. So from here we can just save this loan, save this deposit. So this deposit is 11 has been created. So I will show you from the ledger, add to favorite. Here you can see the document charges. I have set 2% for the deposit and for loan also. So that will be deducted whenever we create deposit or loan for that customer. So we have created that deposit. Just search that customer, and go to the passbook. So here you can see this much accounts that customer has. So just click on the deposit, and you can see here the recurring deposit, all details. So from here 5,000 you can receive, and you can see the passbook detail also. So deposit amount is 60,000, and the deposit interest is calculated is 2,665. So after that, in the installment tracker you can see the 5,000 is principal amount, and the interest is calculated on that 8% basis. So this type we can create the deposit in Jainam Software. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like our channel from YouTube.